Need to set up Zoom on your PC? I'll guide you through the process quickly and easily in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to the official Zoom website by typing zoom.us/download in the address bar. This will take you directly to the Zoom download page. On the Zoom download page, you'll see different options for the Zoom client for meetings. Depending on your PC, select one of the following: Zoom client for 64-bit, 32-bit, and ARM 64-bit. Choose the appropriate version for your system. Most modern PCs use the 64-bit version. Once you've selected the correct version, click the download button to start the downloading process. Depending on your internet speed, the Zoom installer will download in a few seconds or a minute. Once the download is finished, open the file, usually located in your Downloads folder. When you open the Zoom installer, you'll see a pop-up window asking if you want to run the installer. Click Yes to begin the installation process. It will install Zoom on your PC automatically. Once the installation is complete, Zoom will automatically open. You'll be prompted to sign in if you already have a Zoom account, or you can click Sign Up Free to create a new account. Once you're signed in, you can either start a new meeting, join an existing one, or schedule a meeting for later. From here, you'll be ready to start using Zoom on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.